Welcome to my shop. My name is Sarel. I recently, like in last week, bought this Chevalier surface grinder, and it was in a real sorry state, dirty and neglected, rusted and everything. So here I'm trying to get it inside from the outside. You can see on the stand how dirty the top is. It is really atrocious. Table were rusted, so that was all cleaned up. Here you can see some damage from the previous owners. This was apparently at a trade school, never maintained, and it had a small problem, as you'll see here. That one doesn't affect, but these two will affect it. It's on the very far left hand side of the table, of the ways. Here I'm aligning the table x-axis to the spindle, and you can see we managed to get it very close. This is a 2 micron indicator, and there's basically 1 division difference. This is now after I've cleaned it up a bit, started assembling, had the table back on. I'm quite happy it has now been serviced. Most of the damage repaired. I've ordered a number of new things. You can see there the de-rusting has happened on the table. A number of wheel hubs were ordered. I'm busy manufacturing because the local cost is just ridiculously prohibitive. A wheel balancing jig. I've got the arbor. I've ordered everything via the local agents from Chevalier Taiwan themselves. The 22 mil leveling feet and the pads were missing. That is replaced. Balancing arbor ordered. All the tooling ordered. I've also ordered a Noga misting mini mist system. So I'll convert this to mist cooling. I don't have facilities, although I do have cooling pump and reservoir and things from the mudding machine that would be suitable. I'm not going to go for flood cooling on this. I'll rather do mist cooling and see how that goes. And I've ordered a number of wheels and a couple of other goodies as well. Also ordered a chuck, fine pitch pole chuck for thinner material. It works equally well on the thicker stuff. I managed to get one from E-Magnets in the UK. That is installed. I went for slightly bigger. This is a 612 6 by 12 inch, 150 by 300, but the table travel is in actual fact 360 millimeters, so I went for a 350, and I've got about 5 or 6 millimeters overhang, quarter inch overhang on each side where the wheel clears the magnetic chuck. So quite happy with how that worked out. Guys, if you like, thumbs up please. You're welcome to subscribe. I'm not doing a lot of videos. I'm kind of quite busy, but from time to time there is some content that I'm adding to the channel, so I would appreciate if you do a subscribe and a thumbs up. If you like, well, thumbs down. If you don't, please comment. Thank you.